So here's presenting Sri Aditya Vantage by Sri Aditya Home. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am in class and today we will be doing the project overview of Sri Aditya Vantage by Sri Aditya Homes, which is located in Manchiverelu, Narsingi, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. And as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. So this is going to be your marketing office and this is your land parcel. Now, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. So the first one is the project overview. That is the first part. You see, this is going to be constructed on 10 acres of land parcel featuring 9 towers with 2 basement, 3 podium and 38 floors, having 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located on Narsingi's main road, Manchiverelu, Narsingi, Hyderabad. This is your entire connectivity, and from here you easily get connected to your all IT hubs. Nehru Outer Ring Road is just 200 meters away from here, Ocean Park just being 2.3 kilometers away. Now let's have a look at the amenities part. So the project is going to come with modern luxurious amenities, which includes a grand clubhouse that is 1 lakh square feet. Then there's going to be swimming pool, there's indoor and outdoor sports courts and a lot more. Now, coming over to the super built up area, for 4 BHK it is 6,500 to 8,300 square feet and 5 BHK is 13,000 square feet. Now, coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. You will also be taken at the actual location of the site, and if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the project overview of Sri Aditya Vantage by Sri Aditya Homes, which is located in Narsingi, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.